This episode is brought to you by Poshkin. You can use our code KHangout to get 20% off on your orders, and you can visit their website, poshkin.ph. Do you have any personal stories about seeing K-pop idols, K-drama actors?
Unfortunately, wala.
In the
Ay,
like not like randomly lang ha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ay, nakita ko siya sa concert.
Hindi, like randomly.
No, yung counted ba yung father?
Ni Jimin?
Yeah.
Oo. Sikat
Yeah.
din siya.
So, punta kami sa Busan. And of course, we went to Z Millennial. Ano pala?
Oo.
Yeah,
Z
Z
Millennial.
Millennial. And nandun si App. Alam niyo ba, at first,
Si Appa?
at first, hindi ko siya nakilala na parang siya na pala yun.
Pero kamukha niya si
Hindi mo
Jimin,
naman,
no?
Yeah.
hindi mo naman inutusan.
Antik na, charis. Hindi naman. But, hindi ko in-expect na siya na pala yun. Kasi sobrang casual lang niya. Nagtatrabaho talaga siya doon pala.
Yes.
Parang ganun talaga sila eh, pag business nila.
Oo.
Sila talaga
Like yung sister ni Nam.
Like that time that I went, yung dad ni Jimin, namimigay siya ng Yakult outside.
Yeah, nakita ko yun. Nakita ko yun.
Yakult?
Yeah, tas he was hugging army pa. Like, if you ask him for a hug,
Saka
he'll
may
hug
nagkakashare
you.
siya.
Oo.
Parang nung time na nagpunta kami doon, he was the one preparing the orders before sila i-serve. And
Ate
then,
Namjoon.
I asked for, sino ba nag-ask for a photo? Parang yung daddy ko. Pero nag-decline siya. Ayaw niya ng photo.
Ah, yes, yes, yes.
But, nakipag-converse naman siya. And yung driver namin noon, siya yung naging translator. And I asked him to sign a photo card. To which, ang funny story pa nito, kasi ang gusto ko na sanang i-sign niya, yung likod ng photo card. So, inabot ko sa kanya yung photo card, nakatalikod. Si Apa!
Si Appa!
Binaliktad! Ang sinay niya yung face. Yeah. So, yeah,
Ako star
ang sinay niya yung face ni Jimin, but...
O, totoo naman. Wala naman si Jimin kung wala.
Yeah.
Hindi talaga dun sa face.
Kaya nga,
Pero kasi I think it's pretty normal na ganyan. Kasi even with Vernon's dad, kapag binigyan mo siya ng photo card ni Vernon, yung harap yung sa signan nila.
I like yung face talaga yung sa sign na. Yeah, but it's so special.
Ayun,
Ayun.
cute.
And then he kept saying, thank you to everyone inside the cafe and shook everyone's hand.
I love
Bahawa
it.
Huwag mo.
Corina, nalamangan mo ako dyan.
My favorite is yung naglalamangan si V tsaka si Rika. That's the funniest. That's my fave.
Farben.
Oh my God! Kasi, di ba, yung sister ni Namjoon, dun talaga siya, like, she's super hands-on. Eh, parang every time Rika goes, wala na siya. Super funny. V was like, nilamangan na naman kita.
Kita ko si Ate Namjoon.
Pero may isa na yung nalamangan naman ni Rika. Kasi,
Kasi I was taking pictures. No, I was taking pictures of my matcha.
Ay! Oh, yeah!
And then, nilapitan ako ni Ikel na parang, uy, sabi nila punta ka daw doon. Tapos parang lahat kayo, oh my God, V! Oh my God, V! Yung kinausap tayo na. Yung parents ni Namjoon dumaan, kinausap kami. Sabi ko, ay, wala ako.
Yung banging,
Tapos sabi ni Rika sa akin, nalamangan na kita.
kasalanan ng matcha.
Context for the people.
Okay.
We're always in Songsu because we like shopping there, going around.
And we always go to Farben.
And we always go to Farben. Not only to support the business of Namjoon's family, pero
it's
kasi
really
masarap
good.
talaga.
It's really good.
Masarap talaga siya.
What's
and
your
then,
go-to drink?
Fab and Chio. And it's so funny because, alam mo masarap siya because maraming hindi army na pumupunta doon kasi masarap
Yes.
talaga siya. So parang, so sobrang, namin ni Sam doon na, everyday kami nandun na pupunta. Nakapila pa lang kami, tapos makikita ko ng sister ni Namjoon, ilalabas na yung
Hashtag Trish
pistachios.
Dennis feeling air.
Kasi nakapila pa lang kami, tapos makikita niya ako, ilalabas na niya yung pistachios. Kasi
Yeah.
alam na niya na yun yung order. Kasi yun lang in-order ko all the time. Tapos minsan dalawa pa yung in-order. Tapos takaw yan.
Nag-try ka na bang ibang drink?
Ha?
Nag-try ka na ba ng ibang drink?
Hindi. Nag-try ako before, pero I think once lang ako nag-try ng different. Pero yung second drink na tinry ko was the Favenchio. After nun, hindi na ako nagpalit ulit. So every time mag-uwi na talaga. So nakakatawa kasi nilabasan niya. So parang kami ni Sam. Alam na niya yung order namin. So ganyan. So tawa kami ng tawa. And then, so we always see her. So parang kami ni Sam, parang normal na rin for us. But seeing the parents is
Yeah,
different
that was
because
different.
there's sometimes
We saw the
there.
dad a
We
few
saw the dad before.
times.
Pero usually daan lang na para maghahatid ng stock. This time, nagulat kami, nakatambay kami ni na
We were waiting for
Sam.
our order.
Oo, tapos we were all on our phones. Na hindi naman wala kami iba nakikita kasi ang daming tao nun eh. So, kami lang yun. Tapos bilang may lumapit sa aming babae. Tapos sinabi niya, thank you so much, thank you so much. Tapos para kami, oh my gosh, mom ni Namjoon to.
Ako, nagpipicture naman.
Oo. So, for context, this is me, Sam, Corina, Rika, and Ikel. Take note si Ikel, nalamangan niya si Rika.
Uy, nakausap naman ako.
So parang nag-thank you siya. And then, maya-maya, lumapit na yung dad ni Namjoon. Nag-thank you din siya isa-isa sa amin. Tapos parang kami,
Nagbawing contest pa
Oo,
tayo.
nagbabaw kami. Tapos magbabaw din sa parang kami, hindi natatapos yung bawing. So parang after nun, edi, okay na. Si Sam nga sabi ni Sam, Trish, don't cry, Trish, don't cry.
Yeah,
kasi
kasi
naiiyak
siya
na ako
naiiyak.
na parang na-overwhelm ako na parang, is this really happening? So nakuha namin drinks namin, lumabas kami. Tapos, sinabi namin
We
KV.
talked to Namjoon's mom. We were telling her how good
The drinks
drinks
were,
were.
oo, totoo yan. Tapos parang lumabas na tayo, tapos doon na namin pinagyabang kay V, na nalamangan ka ni Rika. Char, hindi. Pero after nun, so we were just there,
Taking pictures.
taking pictures outside. Kasi sobrang daming tao. Because, take note, it was Festa. So, ang daming tao talaga. So, kami, sa labas na kami nagstay to take photos. And then,
There was a recycle bin.
there was a recycle bin na ginawang trash can ng mga tao.
Like literally, there were photos on the recycle bin of what you can put, like paper,
Oo,
like
yung
mga toothbrush,
Oo.
like that's where you dispose it.
Tapos ginawa nilang trash can. Tapos nakita namin yung parents ni Namjoon na may problema because they're trying to clean it up. Tapos umalis sila. Tapos parang kami ni Sam, ha? Oo. Tapos kami ni Sam, wait nga, parang ano kami na parang hala ang kalat nga, tara let's help them tidy up. Eh may plastic bag si V, kinuha namin yung plastic niya.
Context, bakit ako may plastic bag? Kasi before going to Songsu, nasa Hive ako for the cup sleeve events. Eh, I forgot to bring my extra tote bag. So, pumunta ako ng CU. Plastic juice sa'yo.
101.
So, nag-iikot ako ng Seoul na parang may bit-bit akong trash kasi nga black na plastic bag lang. Tapos nung nakita na namin yung parents, they were like, B, yung plastic bag mo! Yung plastic bag mo! So ako, oh my God, wait lang.
So we started picking up the
Yeah.
trash and then mamaya-maya dumating na yung parents ni Namjoon. Bumili pala sila ng trash bag sa convenience store.
GS25.
Ang funny nga na at first we were joking pa na, tinan nyo, bibili sila ng plastic.
Oo, yun pala, bumili talaga sila. So parang nagpupulot kami ng basura kasama yung parents ni Namjoon. Tapos parang kami, is this real life? Is this really happening? Napak na namin yung basura. Tapos parang, hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay. Ibibigay ko pa sa namin yun. Like, I don't know where to put it. Basta ang ending nun, parang the mom again was like, thank you girls.
Saan nga ba natin ilagay
Diba
yung
si
basura?
even parang, what do you call this? She went inside and then she was talking to Namjoon's sister.
Tapos tinuro tayo, tingnan mo itong mga ano.
Saan natin nilagay yung basura?
Kinuha nila.
Yeah, they got it. They got it.
Oh.
And then they threw it.
Kasi nalala ko hawak ko rin, parang,
Anong gagawin ko dito? Ibigay ko ba Mami Namjoon?
No, but I think that was one of a very core
memory,
na
yeah.
nakapagpulot ng basura. And also guys, pag recycling bin, recycle only, hindi yun basurahan.
Oo.
Kundi magpupulot din kayo.
At dahil doon, kapantay ko na si Rika.
So such a core memory. Yeah, that was one of my favorite memories then. And going back nga to the topic of seeing idols, I think this is the first time we've seen the most idols randomly.
Yes.
Super dami. We've seen
Ive.
Ive in Songsu.
In Songsu.
As in we were walking and then they were coming out of a restaurant and I was like, oh. And Trish was like,
Hindi, iba pa yun.
Oo. Trish was like, huh? And I was like, Ive! Ive! Yeah.
Tapos yung
Then may
nilabas na.
isa pa, yung kasama natin sila RM nung kumain tayo sa 97's restaurant. Tapos may isang idol. And then they were like, yan si ano.
Ay, oo, pero hindi ko malala kung
Yeah, I
sino.
don't remember what group it's from them.
Ay, nakakatawa kasi
But it's a boy group.
oo, kasama namin nun si RM at CJ. Naglalakad kami, so may nakita silang guy na nakaupo sa labas. Sabi niya, si ano yun ng ito, hindi ko, I
don't
say it
remember
because hindi ko kilala
them,
kung
yeah.
sino talaga. Tapos parang narinig sila, nagtago yung guy. As in, tumayo siya, tapos umalis. Tapos sarang kami, so siya nga yun, no? Like, kasi nagmadali siya papasok eh. Pero natawa lang kami kasi parang,
But
it's so
I think
random.
our highlight was seeing Taeyong.
Okay, sige. Oo.
We saw
That was
Taeyong.
random, oo.
That was really random. We're not gonna give any more context.
Pero-
for privacy, kasi we feel like he's always there.
Oo, ito random din
That
yun.
was really random. That was
Sa
at
sobrang
almost 1 a.m.
At napatigil kami ni Sam,
Yeah,
na para
we were just
kami,
like, ay, sorry.
oh, with dramatic
Ayun,
sound
ganon,
effect.
ganon.
Kasi napatigil kami, tapos sarang kami,
I even was like, is that? And you were like, it's Taeyong!
actually, ang funny lang, na parang I feel like those are the fun moments kasi hindi mo siya ini-expect.
Yes.
And also, yun yung nakakatawa kasi parang hindi ka ready. Alam mo yung
Yeah,
parang hindi ka ready. So parang, it's really just your kwento, yung mababaon mo sa kanya parate.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was fun. And feeling ko, nalamangan ni Rika si V pa rin. Oo.
Gusto niyo sagot dyan?
Ano?
No, si V ang ka-video call natin nun, di ba?
Oo nga.
Oo,
pero
tapos
nalamangan
sumunod
pa rin
si
siya.
Oh yeah.
Bakit?
Hindi ako nalamangan ni Bill.
Hindi ako nalamangan. Nakita ko OT7.
Ako din!
Wala ka sa third floor!
Hello! I feel so...
Hindi, context! Context!
Kaya tahimik lang ako kasi alam ko talagang panalo talaga si V.
Bigyan mo ng context kasi...
Ha? At least nakita mo yung fireworks.
Hindi! Okay, wait, baka akala nyo binubuli lang namin si Rika. Kasi nag-context, nagkwentuhan kami. Tapos parang, I think,
Sa cafe.
oo, parang we
Kasi
were...
puno yung Farben.
Oo, and we were talking about parang something na parang sinabi niya, parang sabi namin na parang, you know, we're just grateful that we were able to watch, na yung iba, ang daming sinasabi, pero wala naman dito, kaya nasa third floor. Sabi ni Rika, ouch! Oo, Rika, ikaw yung pinapakinggan natin. Pero yun lang, parang it's really like, you know, at least si Rika, nakita niya yung
Fireworks.
Fairness.
Kahit sa pwesto ko, nakita ko din fireworks eh.
Hindi, mas maganda sa taas. Kasi buong buo eh. And yung the whole production. Ika-gaslight natin, no?
Yung nakahubad si Hobie, nakita po namin yun.
Sa screen.
Okay, so we are going to go back to the topic of K-pop nga kasi I feel like that's the most memorable part of our trip, no? We wish we were there talaga, JC. Next time.
Next year.
Next year.
Yeah.
This year.
So,
October.
going back nga to Farben, is there any other restaurants that you've been to owned by like the family members of idols or the idols themselves? Because I know like Vernon's family has.
White Rabbit.
Sokjen's
Brother.
brother.
Ang layo nun eh.
Also, Seromoshi.
Ito, na-try na tayo.
What's your experience?
My experience?
Oo. Nakita mo yung brother ni Jen?
Nakita ko yung brother ni Jane. Pero kasi yung experience ko
Lalabangan ka
doon,
na naman.
Nakita ko si Jin.
dahil first time ko, di ba? So, pagpasok, I was videoing. Pag, may hallway na gano'n, pag turn ko ng gano'n, nakita ng mga Koreans na nagbe-video ako, they covered their faces. So, there.
Oo, they're
Pero
very...
kasi, di ba yung restaurant kasi nung kuya ni Jin, parang I think it's
Cubicles,
at
cubicles.
saka I think it's pretty fancy.
Oo.
Yes.
Oo.
Medyo fine dining kasi.
But that's another
So, it's
thing.
mahal?
Oo.
Alam mo,
Expensive.
hindi siya ganun ka-expensive.
Ay, we?
Oo.
Oo, yun nga sabi nila expensive eh.
It's not.
Pero sex
Mayaman
naman.
kasi si JC!
Oo naman, 300
Hoy!
Para sa'yo hindi, kasi nagsamgyup tayo 7,000 per person.
Hindi ko sinasadya. yun.
So, what was the vibe? Was it like super unique?
It's unique kasi, di ba, steamed siya eh.
Ay, oo.
steamed!
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Steamed yung meat saka yung veggies. Pero, yung type of meat is really special kasi parang iba siya.
Ano? Meat ng...
You think na parang it's
Bosa
bland.
ba siya?
Parang you think it's bland, pero
Is that
it's
bosa?
really soft.
Pork?
Pero beef,
Beef.
ata.
Beef.
Pero kasi it's Japanese.
Yeah, it's
Oo,
Japanese,
it's Japanese
eh.
kasi.
It's a Korean
What's the
restaurant.
vibe? Like, pang mayaman, ganun. Bawal ka magganito, no?
Pwede
Ganyan.
naman,
Okay. That's another on the bucket list. I mean,
Next,
we've been always like hearing about it. What etiquette did you learn?
Ayun yung videoing.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yes. Kasi they're very about their privacy.
Kasi nakasick leave lang sila. Bawal makita! Nakasick leave sila eh.
So for me, siguro yung dapat medyo bilisan mo, hindi yung parang petiks-petiks ka lang. Kasi yung sasakay for example, yung sasakay ako sa bus. Tapos parang mag-video pa sana ako for the vlog, ganyan. Tapos biglang sabi nung bus driver, Pali! Di parang, nanginginig pa ako.
Kasi may time silang hinahabol.
Yes, meron kasi
Ang pali pa
very
lang
strict.
inig.
Yes.
Sa atin, oo. Sa atin kasi, di ba, parang kahit nasa mali, aantayin ka talaga, di ba? Kahit na medyo malayo ka pa, aantayin ka talaga. Pero sa Korea, hindi talaga. Tsaka siguro yung pagkain. Yes! So, punta pa lang kami sa hotel kasi sumakay kami ng limousine bus. Tapos, parang bumili ako ng banana milk, tsaka meron ako biniling bread. Basta, ganon. Tapos, ako naman, syempre, parang, di ba, nasa bucket list yung pag-inom ng banana milk, ganyan. Ininom ko sa bus. Tapos na
Bawal
nakita,
yun.
yes, that's bawal. Nung nagkita kami nila Sam, yes, sabi, kakarating mo lang ng Korea, lumabag ka na kagad. Pero hindi ko naman in-upload. Buti sinabi nila Sam na nagkita kami.
Ang laki-laki
So,
ng
yeah.
no food, no drink.
Kaya nga, pero hindi ko napansin. Bawal. Kasi sa atin, di ba, parang sarap kasi yung, alam mo yung, yung ini-enjoy mo yung, bawal din ba? And sa bus.
Sa bus?
Sa bus kasi.
Nice Rika eh.
Lalamangan ka
So,
Sorry, ayoko kasi mag-drive eh.
yes, passenger princess siya. So, yun, for me.
The food. Ate Alex, is there any etiquette? Like parang na-shock ka na bawal pala tong gawin.
Actually, yun din, yung video.
Oo. They're
Kasi binivideo ako ni Caleb sa Compose.
Yes.
Dahil syempre, alam mo
Taeyong.
naman, yes, Taeyong. So ayun, parang binawalan siya nung staff. Ayun.
Yeah,
So,
they're
dinilit
very,
na
ano,
lang.
about
Yun, dinilit na talaga yun.
They're very
Wala
about
sa
their
recycle
privacy.
bin.
Yes, wala na talaga.
Delete talaga.
They're not comfortable eh.
Oo. Sa akin naman is yung pag-segregate ng trash. They're very strict about segregating trash. I have this friend kasi that already lives in Korea, and that time when she was transferring, well, she she rented out an Airbnb and she accidentally threw the trash in the wrong trash bin. So she almost got fined 100 million won.
Oh my gosh!
They're very, very strict about segregating trash. So, yung segregation natin sa Airbnb, it was
Yeah.
insane. Like, we had 5 different plastic bags. Like, you know, chopsticks, di ba? You'll think it's paper kasi wood. It's not. You cannot throw that in the paper. It's crazy. So, I feel like that's the most, like, shocking to me. And that you have to be quiet in the public transport.
Staying in an Airbnb, you're forced to segregate.
True.
Compared to staying in a hotel, sila
Yeah.
yung segregate for you. So I guess there's really pros and cons to it.
But sa public transpo, parang very strict sila dun sa seats for yung mga privilege
Pugote.
for yung may color, 'di ba color coded siya for pink. Yeah. And you can't just sit just because it's available.
Oh. They'll look at you talaga. As in, like, they'll judge you. Why are you sitting
I
there?
remember yung nakasabay natin papuntang Kintex.
Ay,
Oh,
oo.
yeah.
Yung nakaupo sa pregnant
Oo.
chair. We were like,
Like, they won't call you out, but they'll
look at you.
The
judgment.
Yeah.
The look.
Side eye.
So everyone has pretty much the same,
Yeah.
like, culture shock kind of thing. But, syempre, we're also tourists. Well, not tourists, but like visitors. So you have to
Yeah.
respect them.
I think one
It's
of the
very
biggest
imposed,
things also is keeping your voice down in the public transportation. I feel like that's something that that's automatic for us in a
Yeah.
way. Kasi, like, for me and Sam specifically, magkikentuhan kami, but the moment we enter a public transportation, hindi na kami magsasalita. Magte-text na lang kami. But we've seen a lot of people, a lot of tourists na hindi familiar sa rule na yon. And talagang masama ang tingin sa kanila o kaya straight up, shh! Ginaganon sila. So, we always try to remind everyone na parang keep your voice down, whisper na lang, mag-text na lang kayo, whatsoever. Because for a lot of people, the train is also their time for resting.
Oo. Ang
So,
dami natutulog.
Oo, ang dami natutulog, ang dami yung parang, pagod from work and everything. So, gusto nila quiet lang talaga.
Yeah.
Actually, not only in Korea naman.
Sa
Oo,
Japan.
Japan also.
Siguro nasanay lang tayo kasi dito sa Pilipinas na, 'di ba? Pasaway yung mga tao. Pero pag pumunta ka talaga sa other countries, talagang dapat nga bago ka pumunta dun sa country na yun, kahit papano, magba-background check ano ba yung mga
like,
do's and don'ts.
yes. And the internet is free na for everyone. Everybody posts, like, do's and don'ts of what to do and what not to do. So, ayun. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of all of us for following these rules. This episode is brought to you by Poshkin. You can use our code KHangout to get 20% off on your orders. And you can visit their website, poshkin.ph.
Naging bias ako sa Myung.
Parang na-trinay namin.
Nagulat kami 7,000 per person.
So yun.
It was very affordable. The location was perfect. As in, perfect location.
Opa!